The 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback, masterfully restored and modified by the renowned Kindig-It Design. This incredible build is a testament to the fusion of classic automotive beauty and state-of-the-art engineering. Join us as we delve into the intricate details, craftsmanship, and performance that make this Mustang a true automotive masterpiece. Engine. A 6.9-liter Ford engine built by delivering mind-blowing performance. This engine is paired with Tremec 6-speed transmission, close ratio and back cut for precise high-performance shifting. Custom stainless headers and 3-inch tubing. Enhances exhaust flow and performance. Borla mufflers. Provides a throaty, aggressive sound. Chassis and suspension. The car is built on a Roadster Shop Fast Track IRS/IFS chassis, ensuring superior handling and ride quality. The suspension setup includes independent rear suspension (IRS) and independent front suspension (IFS). Offers exceptional stability and control. Bilstein coilovers at all four corners. Provides a smooth, adjustable ride. The Mustang is finished in a stunning paint job by Modern Classic, featuring Killer Tomato, Black Hole Black, No Strings White. Interior luxury step inside, and you'll find a cabin that merges classic style with modern comfort. Seats. Custom upholstery with leather and Alcantara, hand-stitched to perfection. Dash. Modified to retain the classic look while integrating modern functionalities. Gauges. Classic instruments. Auto X series provides accurate, easy-to-read information. Shifter. A custom creation by Jake Palm adds a unique touch. Horn button. Designed as a vintage arcade, paying homage to Chris's video game designing career.